cleared, severe pitting and corrosion on the original dark blue finish become visible, highlighting the challenge ahead. The first step is removing decades of grime. This aluminum body requires careful treatment before the frame-off reconstruction can begin. To address the crusted salt deposits around the headlight trim, we apply targeted spray to begin the chemical dissolution process. The first step is a controlled rinse of the aluminum V8. This washes away the thick dust, revealing the extent of the long-term corrosion. Using a high-pressure washer helps remove the decades of grime without damaging the aged rubber underneath. The hinge pins were completely seized, requiring significant force to remove them from the corroded aluminum. With the 5-bar inserted, we slowly apply pressure. The corrosion was severe, but it finally gave way, revealing the seized shoes underneath. We're now disconnecting the rear brake junction. As you can see, the corrosion is severe. We'll use the first step is removing the horn center cap to access the main retaining nut. Due to decades of neglect, the gauge filter had to be meticulously disconnected, starting with the oxidized retaining screws. Decades of moisture have crystallized the wiring, making removal a delicate process. With the straps loosened, we can now carefully lower the tank. Decades of dirt and corrosion are crumbling away as it's just free. These front body mount bolts are completely seized after decades of storage. It takes a lot of leverage to break them free from the frame.
Now that the V8 is mounted, we can rotate it on the stand to inspect the aluminum block for any sign of corrosion or fatigue cracks.
We're now loosening the head bolts, following the reverse torque sequence to avoid warping the aluminum heads.
With the last bolt removed by the impact wrench, the oil pan gasket finally lets go, revealing the extent of the corrosion on the seized V8 crankshaft.
The piston is completely frozen in the bore, so we're using a wooden grip and a mallet to carefully tap it free without damaging the aluminum. We apply significant tension with the breaker bar before the bolts finally yield. Now we can lift the main bearing capsule away from the crankshaft. We're checking the cylinder bore for taper and validity using the valve bore gauge. We must ensure the measurements are within. We're using a feeler gauge to measure the clearance. As you can see, the fitting is quite deep on the number 3 journal. Corrosion has seized these bolts solid. Once they are out, we finally separate bell housing and inspect clutch. Now we can inspect the input shaft. The corrosion you see here is a direct result of the long-term storage of integrated fluids. We are now lifting the main gear stack as a complete assembly, taking care to slowly clear the casing to avoid any damage. We're now setting the crankshaft. After lubricating the new bearings, we carefully lower the crank into the journals, ensuring it settles precisely in place. We're now installing the main bearing caps, torquing them sequentially to the factory specification to ensure the crankcase is perfectly secure. The camshaft is lubricated and carefully slid into the block journals, ensuring perfect alignment and smooth rotation. The new head gaskets are positioned, and the aluminum cylinder heads are carefully lowered onto the block. We now begin bolt placement. The next crucial step is manually rotating the crankshaft to check for smooth compression resistance.
These are the new seat covers. We are checking the grain and the piping to ensure they match the factory specifications.
The weld area is allowed to cool naturally to prevent distortion, ensuring the integrity of the aluminum body. With the shell mounted, we're meticulously checking the panel gaps with a digital caliper, ensuring every contour meets the factory specification. Using a wide spreader, the polyester filler is precisely feathered over the repaired section to achieve the correct body line curvature. Primer is curing nicely. We're just checking the thickness here to ensure it meets the factory specifications before we move on to the color code.
Once the harness is properly aligned, we can then secure the main multi-pin connector. Listen for the snap.
After months of meticulous work, the 3.2-liter V8 finally roared to life. Now we can precisely set the timing.